Hello and welcome to Maker Mondays with Harris County Public Library. This week, we'll be building a neural network. This contraption quickly classifies information, just like a computer. If you'd like to follow along, pick up a take-home AI challenge kit this week at participating libraries. Our goal is to create a neural network that can identify types of objects. But how does it work? An artificial neural network is designed to learn to recognize patterns just like a human brain. Think about when you were young. How did you learn how to tell the difference between apples and bananas? Apples are red, round, and crunchy, while bananas are yellow, long, and soft. These different properties, like color, shape, and texture, are all used to classify information and identify patterns. Scientists use this same process to train computers to recognize images. Over the years, they've collected thousands of images of different diseases. These images are data, and like our apples and bananas, each disease has unique properties. The neural network will do a series of tests on the image, called nodes. Like, does it have dark splotches? If so, is it red? If so, is it spiky too? If it passes all the tests, the disease can be successfully identified. The network uses lots of nodes that all communicate, run tests, and classify the different images. The more images it sees, the more patterns it can find and learn from as it goes, and the more accurate it becomes at identifying disease. Now, let's create our own network using this same process. Here's what you'll need for this activity: disposable cups, construction materials like skewers and popsicle sticks, a marker, scissors, index cards or paper, and 10 different objects to sort. This can be things like beads, figurines, paper clips, etc. First, let's take a look at our 10 random objects. This is our data. Now pick one object you want to sort from the others. I'm going to use this red bead. This is our target data. We need to make a list of all the properties that make our target data unique, like maybe its shape, or its color, or material. Using our list, now we need to make yes or no questions that will help our neural network identify and classify the objects. But they can only ask about one property at a time. It wouldn't be very helpful for our network to learn if we just asked, is it a small red bead, would it? Now that we've created our plan, let's build our network. Our network should have nodes, which we will use our cups as, and then pathways between the nodes. At each node, we'll ask a question about our objects on our index card. From there, it should branch into a yes cup and a no cup. For example, I'll start with all of my objects at the end. My first node or question will be, is the object plastic? Then I'll mark my yes cup and my no cup and start to classify my objects. Things like the binder clips or the paper clips or these pipe cleaners are not plastic. But this figurine and these different beads are all plastic, so they'll go into the yes cup. Next, we'll move on to our next node, and so on until you've finally separated your target object from the rest. Test your network a few times and see whether it successfully sorted your objects. Did you ask the right questions? What if you put them in a different order? Do you need more questions, or could you even use less? These are all questions you can use to revise your neural network. Once you think you've got the perfect network, ask other people to try it out and see if they're able to follow your paths. I hope you enjoyed learning about artificial intelligence and neural networks this week. Remember that kits with supplies and instructions are available now at participating Harris County Public Library locations. Give your local branch a call today to schedule a pickup. Thanks for joining us for Maker Mondays, and remember to check out hcpl.net for more book recommendations and inspiration.